Before you buy a portable wall-mount air conditioner, there's one thing no product page will tell you. Most of these units aren't actually designed to be mounted on walls. Despite the name, they're mostly freestanding fans with cooling features. But don't worry, today we're cutting through the confusion and showing you the real deal.
Product number 1, AnyWrap Mini Cooler Fan. Let's start with the AnyWrap Portable Air Conditioner. This little black and gray unit looks like a high-tech fan, and honestly, that's exactly what it is, a personal cooler, not a true AC. It caught my eye because of its 1,200 milliliter water tank and remote control, all for under $40. If you want something cheap, quiet, and easy to move around for light cooling, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses dual ultrasonic atomizers and a turbofan to drop the surrounding temperature by up to 18 degrees Fahrenheit in 3 seconds, but only in a small personal zone, like your desk or nightstand. It's not cooling a whole room, but if you're sitting right in front of it, you'll feel the difference. The 350 microliters per minute mist output, combined with ice cubes, gives a noticeable chill. Plus, it runs at just 34 decibels, quieter than a whisper, and has a 7-color nightlight with an 8-hour timer. It's also energy efficient at only 8 to 10 watts, so you're not blowing up your electric bill. Now, some people complained about the cooling being too weak for larger spaces. Here's the thing though, this was never meant to cool a bedroom. It's a personal cooler. If you're expecting central AC performance, you'll be disappointed. But for desk use or bedside relief, it does the job. This is perfect for you if you work from home and want a quiet, personal cooling zone. Skip this one if you need to cool an entire room. For the price, it's solid value. Just know what it actually does.
Product number 2, Sedale 3-in-1 Portable AC. Now, if the AnyWrap felt too basic, the Sedale 3-in-1 steps it up with more features and a slightly higher price at $52. This gray unit combines a fan, humidifier, and evaporative cooler, and it actually feels sturdier. If you want better mist control and a larger tank for longer cooling, this one's a smart upgrade. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 1,000 milliliter water tank lasts 6 to 8 hours, which is great for all-night use without refilling. It has 4 fan speeds and 2 mist modes, so you can go from a gentle breeze to a strong 4.2 meter per second airflow. Adding ice drops the temp by 8 to 15 degrees Fahrenheit around you, perfect for dry climates. The 70 degrees adjustable louvers let you aim the airflow exactly where you need it, and the USB power means you can plug it into a power bank or laptop. Plus, the remote and RGB light add convenience and ambience. Now, some people complained about the mist not being cold enough without ice. Here's the thing though, this is an evaporative cooler, not a compressor-based AC. It works best when you add ice or cold water. If you expect instant Arctic blast, you'll be let down. But for personal cooling, it's effective. This is perfect for you if you want a balance of power, runtime, and portability. Skip this one if you live in a humid area. Evaporative coolers don't work well when the air's already wet. Great value for the features.
Product number 3, Sedale 4-speed Mini AC. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for desk use. The Sedale 4-speed Mini AC. At $55, it's nearly identical to the previous model, but with a more compact design and slightly different specs. If you want the same performance in a smaller package, this one's worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It still has the 1,000 milliliter tank, 4 speeds, 2 mist modes, and USB power, but it's even smaller, just 6 by 3 by 4 inches, making it ideal for tight spaces like dorm rooms or small offices. The 6-blade fan keeps noise low, and the remote lets you adjust settings from bed or chair. It cools personal space effectively, dropping temps by 8 to 15 degrees Fahrenheit with ice. The leak-proof tank and drip tray protect your surfaces, and cleaning is easy with the removable design. Now, some people complained about the short USB cable. Here's the thing though, you can easily swap in a longer one or use a power bank. It's a minor inconvenience, not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a tiny but powerful cooler for your desk or nightstand. Skip this one if you need to cool more than one person. It's a great compact option for the price.
Product number 4, Verminet 10-gallon swamp cooler. Now, if the small units felt underwhelming, the Verminet swamp cooler takes a completely different approach. At $160, this is a serious upgrade, featuring a massive 10-gallon tank that runs up to 30 hours. If you want real room cooling without installation, this is the closest you'll get to a traditional AC. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's a 4-in-1 system: fan, cooler, humidifier, and aroma diffuser, with 120-degree oscillation to cover large areas like garages, patios, or living rooms. It's ultra quiet at 30 dB, has a digital display, timer, and remote, and works best in dry climates. The large tank means no constant refills, and the wheels make it easy to move. It's perfect for renters or spaces where window units aren't an option. Now, some people complained about the size and weight. Here's the thing though, this isn't a desktop fan. It's built for performance. If you need mobility over power, look elsewhere. But for serious cooling, it delivers. This is perfect for you if you need long-lasting, powerful cooling in a dry climate. Skip this one if you live in a humid area or have very limited space. It's a premium option with premium performance. Product number 5, Winter Arc 14SS Dual Hose AC. Finally, if you're ready to go all in, the Winter Arc 14SS is in a league of its own. This isn't a fan or swamp cooler. It's a real 14,000 BTU portable AC with dual hoses, dehumidifier, and coverage for up to 500 square feet. If you want actual air conditioning without installing a window unit, this is the real deal. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It cools large rooms fast, removes 71 pints of moisture per day, and runs quietly at 51 dBA. The dual hose design is more efficient than single hose models, preventing negative pressure. It includes a window kit, filters, and remote, and it's even won awards from Good Housekeeping. This is what you buy when you need real cooling, not just a breeze. Now, some people complained about the price and size. Here's the thing though, this is a high-performance appliance. If you need serious cooling, it's worth the investment. But if you just want a personal fan, it's overkill. This is perfect for you if you need powerful, reliable cooling for a large room. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only need spot cooling. It's expensive, but it's the only true AC on this list.
So which one should you buy? For personal cooling under $40, go with AnyWrap. Need more features and runtime? Sedale's 3-in-1 models deliver. Want serious room cooling without installation? Verminet's Swamp Cooler is powerful. And if you need real AC performance, the Winter is the only true portable air conditioner here. Know your needs and pick the right tool for the job.